Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back. In this additional, we will continue with the second Sudoku, a Sudoku with 2 stars. It's an additional of Tuesday, May the 19th. And in this additional, we have 5 Sudokus. And the second Sudoku of this additional is a 2 star. So let's get started. Alright, we have a 4. In this row, a 4 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 4 should be there. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. I see here 4. No 4 in these 2 boxes. We have here a 4, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be this one. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there, here also a 4, no 4 there, only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column. So in the second column, the column between, the only 3 places for a 4 should be here, here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. Here also a 4, no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see, yes, alright. And now, let me see which number I can use. How about the number? The 7 or the 9? Let's see, the 9 in this row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 9 should be here. How about the 7? 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 7 should be there. How about these 3 numbers, the missing numbers here? 1, 2, 3 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 6 is missing. I see here the 6 and the 8 in this column, so no 6 and the 8 in this box. So 1 digit left for the 3. So we have the 6 and the 8, 6 and the 8. That means 1, 2, 6 and the 8, 1, 2 and 5, 1, 2 and 5, 1, 2 and 5. Okay, I cannot continue. I believe 1, 2, 1, 6, 8. No. Yes, these 2 numbers in this column. The missing numbers here are the 1 and the 7. Can I do something with this? Yes, because we have a 1 here, so no 1. No 1 in this box. 1 place left for the 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. But I see here 7. No 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there, but I see here 7. No 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there, but I see here 7. No 7 there, 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Yes, it's the 7. How about this column? 3 missing numbers. In this column, the missing numbers here are the numbers 1, 2, and the 5. 1, 2, and 5. 1, 2, and 5. I see here a 1, so no 1 there. Here also a 1, so no 1 there. 1 place left for the 1 should be here. The 2 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then yes. I need to wait. How about yes, in this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. I see there 1, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be here or could be there in the middle column. So we have a 1 over there in this column, a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. But I see here 1. No 1 there, 1 should be here. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. The missing numbers here are the 2, the 5, and the 9. I see here the 5, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. The 2 and the 9 are left. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 9 goes there. Then the 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 2 and 8. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 8 should be here. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. And then can I do something with the 8? No. The 2. 1 box left in this row for the number 2. 3 missing numbers in this big square. The missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 3, 5, and 6. 3, 5, and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be here. 3 and 5. 3 and 5 are left. 3 and 5, yes. These 2 were the 8 and the 6 are left. We have a 6 now, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there, but I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 5 and 3 are left. 5 and 3 are left in the last column. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And then 3, 6. All right. 1, 2, 2. These 2 numbers in this row for the numbers 1 and no, we have a 1, 3 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for a 6 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. Here also a 6, so no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. One number left in the second row for the number 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for a 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3. No 3 there, 3 should be here. And now, how about these 3 numbers in the third column? The missing numbers here are the 1, the 2, and the 5. 1, 2, and 5. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. Here also a 2, so no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. The 1 and the 5 are left. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in the middle column for the number 9. 9 is missing, yes. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 number left in the first row for the number 2. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 2 should be here. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. Because I need also a 1 here. The 1 and the 6, I believe. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be a 1. 1 number left in this row for the number 8, I believe. Yes. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. 1 number left in this column for the number 8, I believe, yes, and the final number of this big square for the number 5. Finish in 12 minutes for this Sudoku with 2 stars. Alright. If you like this Sudoku video, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can solve it or make it by yourself. Thank you for watching again, and I will see you in a minute with the Sudoku with 4 stars. Alright, thank you and bye-bye.